Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Nori. Let us start learning in our Nth world. We are now going to set up the boot priority of our computer units by pressing Delete to enter the BIOS setup. As you enter the BIOS setup utility, just move to the boot options, and then on the first boot, just select UEFI Slim Type. And then press Enter key from your keyboard. And then you need to press F10 to save and exit setup. At this point, you need to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. And then just wait as Windows is loading files. And the Install Windows dialog box, leave language to install English, time and currency format English United States, keyboard or input method US, and click Next. And then click Install Now. Setup is now starting. And then check I accept the license terms. And then click Next. And then click Custom Advanced. And then click on Drive Option Advanced. And then select this partition 4. Click on Delete. And then click on OK. Select this partition 3. Click on Delete. Click OK. Select this partition 2. Delete. And then OK. And then this partition 1. Delete. And then OK. And then you're now ready to create new partition. Make sure to select unallocated space. Click New, input 500,000 MB as the size. And then click Apply. And then click OK. And then select unallocated space. Click New. And then click Apply. Click on this partition 3 and then click Format. The dialog box says the partition might contain recovery files, system files, or important software from your computer manufacturer. If you format this partition, any data stored on it will be lost. Just click OK. And then select this partition 4, click on Format. And then select this partition 3. And then click Next. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation, copying Windows files, expanding Windows files, installing features, installing updates, and completing installation. At this point, setup is now completing installation. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. You need to press F1 to continue. The installation wizard will resume shortly. Setup is now preparing your computer for first use. Setup is checking video performance. Now you need to input the username of your Windows 7 PC. So just type Windows 7 in caps lock mode, and then type the password. You may use CSS_2023. And then of course you need to retype your password as CSS_2023. And then just skip the product key. And then click on Use Recommended Settings. For the time zone, let us choose Taipei. Congratulations! We are now done with installing the Windows 7 on our PC.